So, merong mga tao na hindi makakuha ng life insurance. Ano yung reasons para ma-deny ka? It's very similar to car insurance. Kung madami kang accidents, speeding tickets, most likely ma-deny ka for car insurance. Same thing with life insurance. If somebody gets insurance on Monday, then namatay sila ng Tuesday, yung insurance company is on the hook sa pagbabayad ng hundreds or thousands of dollars and minsan millions pa. So, gusto nilang i-make sure na yung person is healthy para hindi nila kailangang bayaran yung claim. Or pag binayaran man nila, malayo pa sa future as possible kasi sa time na yon, makakakuha na sila ng premium payments from you to help offset some of the money na kailangan nilang bayaran pag namatay ka. So, pwede kang ma-deny because of these reasons. Cancer, heart attack, stroke, type 1 diabetes, dementia, Alzheimer's. Ito yung some of the conditions na tinitignan nila. Kaya kumukuha na ako ng life insurance ngayon. Never know kung kailan ka magkakasakit. Kung kailangan mo ng tulong sa pagkuha ng quotes and pagtingin ng options, click the link below and answer a few simple questions to get connected to a Tagalog-speaking agent.